Hello litterants, today we will talk about population change and population composition. Now what does those terms refers to? Population change basically refers to the number of person increasing or decreasing in a particular area or a particular country or all around the world because of several factors. Now what are those factors? First is the birth rate, that is number of persons taking birth every day. Second is death rate. Third is migration. Now migration is basically referred to as people who are going to some other place or like people who change their movement of area and settle down to different place. Migration are basically of two types, emigrants and immigrants. Immigrants refers to those people who leave their country and immigrant refers to the people who arrive in a country. Basically the people from underdeveloped country or less developed country move on to developed countries in order to find a better life and better employment. Now what does population composition refers to? Population composition basically refers to the structure of population or the pattern of population. Basically, the population composition is divided into several factors. The first is sex composition, that is number of females per 1000 males. Next is the age structure that will divide population composition into. Age structure basically refers to people under 0 to 15 years of age, then 15 to 65 years of age, then 65 plus above. Next is the literacy level. Literacy level refers to people who are educated and uneducated. In the present time, we have 1/3 of population who are illiterate. And in India, we have the number of males are more than females in terms of literacy level. Then the third one is occupation. Occupation is also one of the means where we have population composition divisions. Occupation is basically divided into three: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary occupation refers to agriculture, animal rearing, livestock rearing, etc. Secondary refers to manufacturing and processing. Tertiary refers to service, communication, etc. All of these are the basic factors that leads to population composition. Also, primary activities are basically practiced by people of the developing countries, and secondary and tertiary activities are those activities that are practiced by the peoples in the developed countries. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.